Breaking. Justice Department files formal charges against the Clinton Foundation. Conservative Army reports. The Clinton Foundation and its board of directors, which include Chelsea and Bill Clinton, have been formally charged by the Justice Department under U.S. Code Title 16, Section 216. Under federal law, the Department of Justice has found that the foundation has accepted money from countries with suspected ties to terrorism. The countries involved Egypt, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, and Dubai, and in more than a dozen uncovered reports, the Clinton Foundation accepted donation from those countries without obtaining the necessary Form 5649, which is a disclaimer that the person or government making the donation does not engage in radical terrorist activity. The spokesman for the foundation told CNN that those forms were on file, but after a full warrant search by the FBI, they were nowhere to be found. When asked about it, FBI Director Comey said, quote, "That's tough luck. Maybe the Clintons shouldn't have made such enemies of this agency," end quote. Let's say that again. When asked about it, FBI Director Comey said, "That's tough luck. Maybe the Clintons shouldn't have made such enemies of this agency," end quote. There's a little bit of karma for the Monday morning. For Monday morning, the foundation attempted to show the agency paperwork that proved that more than 90% of the money collected went to medicine and education for children in those very nations, but it's not the spending that's the question. A U.S. attorney working directly for Jeff Sessions, Janice Garbalonzo, told the Federalist Papers, quote, "The Clinton Foundation thinks because it spent its money on textbooks and medicine, food and clothing for children, that it's exempt from the law. The 4 countries in question may not have made the travel ban, but they are still listed as possible suspects where enemies of the state like Clintons are concerned. We'll use everything at our disposal to get those crooks," end quote. A spokesman for the White House Office of Information and Propaganda says the investigation and subsequent consequences have nothing to do with the election or any kind of rivalry between President Trump and the Clintons. If found guilty, this is astonishing, you have to listen to this. If found guilty, board members in the know could face up to 30 years in prison. If found guilty, the board members of the Clinton Foundation in the know could face up to 30 years in prison. This is really something. This is, you can't make this stuff up. It's too good to be true. It seems that there are people who want to enforce justice. So this is by Read Conservatives on USA Politics Today. Breaking. Justice Department files formal charges against the Clinton Foundation. Conservative Army reports. The Clinton Foundation and its board of directors, which include Chelsea and Bill Clinton, have been formally charged by the Justice Department under U.S. Code Title 16, Section